Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one best litecoin website. You can earn much more litecoin from this website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos to earn much more cryptocurrency free. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, this website already paid this much LTC, and this website is a brand new website. Okay, just come here, click sign up. You can sign up, fill this all form, and litecoin wallet address and gender, country, any country you are from, email and password, and click register. Now I'm click for login. I log in my website. Okay, now you can watch I'm login in my this account. Okay, the first one is you can earn from multiple ways. Okay, just watching surfing hats or like this, and you can just come here, type this one. Every 1 hour you can claim this faucet. Okay, this website is very wonderful. I use this website. I found this website very early, and I make my withdrawal proof after 10 days because I have a lot of work without this website. About that, after 10 days I will make a withdrawal proof from this website. Now you can see I earn this much BTC. Okay, and this one is very good, and this is my amount. Okay, and you can go withdraw, click withdraw. You watch the withdrawal. This is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, it's too easy to reach that. You can watch BTC hats and much more crypto. Every hats you watch pay you for BTC. For BTC converted to this one. This website pay you in BTC. You can go to short links and you can visit the hard short links. Okay, this all is in BTC. Okay, this much BTC you from this short links. And you can go to job, achievement, or CPU mining. Okay, CPU mining is the one of the best way you can earn crypto, but I didn't recommend you because this one is take you a lot of time. Per day pay you this much BTC. Okay, and you can complete offer and you can make much more from this all offer. You can refer your friends. Just click and referral your friends, and you can make much more from your referral link too. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. This is my page, my YouTube channel, and watch other videos, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.